Can you measure the moon with just a coin? Let's find out. Grab a coin. Any coin will work, but a smaller one works best. Now stretch out your arm and hold the coin up so it completely covers the moon, just like this. What's happening here? The coin is much smaller than the moon, but because it's closer to your eye, it appears to be the same size. This is all about angular size. Let's actually estimate the angular size of the moon using just this coin. The idea is simple. If the coin perfectly covers the moon when held at a certain distance, that means the coin's angular size is the same as the moon angular size, about zero point 0.5 degree. To check this, we need to measure two things: the diameter of the coin, second, the distance from your eye to the coin when it just covers the moon. Now, we use this formula to find the angular size of the coin. Since the coin completely covers the moon, that means its angular size is equal to the moon's angular size, which is about zero point 0.5 degree on average. This simple trick gives us a rough estimate of the moon's angular size just with a coin. So while the coin helps us to understand angular size, we need better tools for precision. Now, if we want to measure the moon's angular size accurately, we use a tool called a sextant. This gives us an angular size of about zero point 0.5 degree. Now we have everything we need using the formula. Rearranging for D, we know the moon's angular size is about zero point 0.5 degree, but we need it in radians. So we convert. Now plugging in the values. And that's really close to the actual moon's diameter of 3474 kilometer. But wait, where did that 384,000 kilometer distance come from? We can actually measure the distance to the moon using the parallax method, the same way astronomers measure distances to faraway objects. If you want a video on that, comment down below. Here's something even cooler. This same trick works for the sun. The sun is about 400 times bigger than the moon, but it's also 400 times farther away. That's why both appear the same size in the sky, giving us those perfect solar eclipses. So, can you measure the moon with a coin? Well, you can estimate angular size, but for precise measurement, we need better tools. Either way, it's a fun way to explore physics with a tiny piece of pocket change. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out Cosmiculus for more fascinating content. And if you got any question, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.